Hey guys, it's Amisha. Welcome back to my channel. So lately I have ordered so much stuff from Amazon. So I thought let's do a haul and share these all stuff with you all guys, as these all products are very affordable. And yeah, there is something like a renovation kind of thing is going on in my home. So yeah, if you are interested, then keep on watching. So guys, let's get started with the greeneries because I have ordered so many fake and artificial plants. First thing I ordered is this planter and this plant. They both came separately, and this is for like rupees 699. And yes, now guys, the next product is these plants.
Got them for rupees 272, and there are 12 leaves in one branch, and I got 2 branch.
So guys, if you are also looking for any artificial plant, then go for it. It really looks beautiful and it kind of looks like a live plant. So yes, all the links are mentioned in the description box in any case if you want to check.
Next product I got is these photo frames. I got set of 4 photo frames for the MRP of rupees 499, and they look classy, looks cute. But there is one problem, these frames are not of glass. I thought that they are glass ones, so that's why I ordered. But they are of plastic frames. So yes, keep that thing in mind.
Now guys, the next product I have is these fake flowers.
The one pack retail for 138 rupees, and they are made up of wood and thermocol.
And they look really beautiful, as you can see. Now guys, the next product I have is this planter, and this is what it looks like. You can see how beautiful it looks like. This is like one of my favorite planter. Now guys, the next product I got is this planter. There are so many planters I brought, of course, and this one is again my favorite. Like, you can see how beautiful it is look like, and it's really too long, as you can see. So it is really beautiful. Now guys, the next product I got is again a planter, and I think this one is the last one, I promise. So yes, I got literally so many planters. So this is what it looked like, and it's a very small cute planter. So guys, I got this one for rupees 300. I think I will mention the price on the screen, and for the price point I think it's a little pricey, but it looks cute, so I kept it. But you can easily get this product from market for like 100 rupees. So yes. So guys, the next product I got is like my absolute favorite. I am talking about these small cute candle holders. You can see how beautiful it looks like. And I got these 2 holders for rupees 300, and for the price I think they are really amazing. Just go for these, they are really cute.
These one are artificial bale, and I got pack of 6 for rupees 299. They look really cute, and the leaf is not of cheap plastic. They are of cloth, so these are really good.
Now guys, the next product I got is these fairy lights, and I got 2 pack of them for rupees 250 I think. And I like these lights, like they lighten up so nicely, अच्छे से जलती हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि dim लगती हो, and background में भी बहुत अच्छे से visible होती हैं. But
you get no cells with them, and you need to put 3 cells in each.
The next one I got is these ones. These one come with like USB, and these are really good. Like, इसमें आपको बहुत ही लंबी केबल मिलती है,
approx 10 मीटर, and इसमें आपको 100 LED bulbs भी मिल जाते हैं. And this one is for rupees 269.
ये सबसे ज़्यादा ब्राइट चलती हैं, and ये सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी भी लगी मुझे, because ये USB से चलती है, तो it is quite good to use them. They are quite handy for me.
The last one are these photo frames. I got them late, so I'm adding the clip, and these one are the set of 3, and they retail for 273.
So guys, that's all about today's video. If you found today's video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family members. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.